Hi friends, so today we are going to talk about the most effective channel of digital marketing, which is Google, and more importantly Google Search. So Google Search generates highly relevant clicks which go on to your landing page and have very high chances of getting converted into a lead or a sale on the landing pages. Most of the times it is a Google Search campaign which is more than enough to generate all kinds of leads that you may want because they are highly relevant. It is only when we max out the impression share on Google is when we look to go to affiliate channels of marketing like display marketing or programmatic advertising or social media marketing or native content platform marketing, etc. So what is it that we need to do to get the max out of our Google search campaigns? Well, the answer is that we need to get higher ad ranks and at the same time pay less for every click that is getting generated. Now, how do I do that? Every ad rank is calculated by Google on the basis of what we call as the quality score and the bid. So, in short, if we are able to improve the quality score, we will get higher ad ranks and at the same time, we will end up paying much lesser than the competition, which means that we may get the first rank in the Google ad result, but we may end up paying lesser per click as compared to our competition. So let's see what we need to do to improve our quality score. The first thing and the most important thing is called as the ad text relevance, which means that the text that is going out in the ad copies must be highly relevant to the keywords which are being targeted. Which means that if I have a keyword which I am targeting, we must repeat them multiple times in the ad copy that is actually being served. This really boosts up the quality score and helps get a very high value of click-through rate, which means that chances that someone would see the ad and end up clicking it would be far higher if we are going to repeat the keywords in the ad text. Using these keywords in the landing page destination URLs of the ads will also help boost the quality score. The second most important thing that we are going to talk about is relevance. We must stick to highly relevant keywords because if we start showing ads for keywords which are not highly relevant to our business, the users will not click on the ads and this will adversely affect our click-through rate, and click-through rate will adversely further affect our quality score. So it is very important to keep going through the search term lists and identifying the search terms which are not relevant to our business and negating them from our targeting options. We can also use broad match modifiers, we can use phrase matches, exact matches, and those kind of keyword formats to make sure that we stick to high relevance. The third and the most important part of this entire journey is the landing page experience, which means that what happens to the user after he clicks onto the ad. Google is extremely critical about the experience the user goes through after he comes onto the landing page. So the landing page should load extremely fast, preferably within 3 seconds. The landing page should talk about the product that we have marketed in the campaign, should have the right kind of keywords which we have used in the targeting options in the campaign. It should also end up engaging the user and it should not allow the user to bounce after he lands onto the landing page. It's also very important to implement SSL security onto the landing page, which gives an impression to Google about the authenticity of the website or the landing page. So if we take care of all that we've discussed so far, we can guarantee that you will come in the top 3 ad slots and you'll end up paying far lesser to Google, as much as 30 or 40% lesser in fact to Google as compared to your competition. I hope this video helps you to optimize your campaigns better. For more such updates from the Logic Loop team, please subscribe to the channel.